Decor Designs, your destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of that feeling of being watched every time you step into your front yard? Do you wish you could enjoy your porch or garden without the constant gaze of passersby? If so, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of front yard privacy fences, your ultimate solution for peace, security, and a serious boost in curb appeal. We're counting down the top 15 best privacy fence ideas for your front yard, complete with material recommendations and pro decorating tips. Let's get started. First, let's define what we mean by a front yard privacy fence. While a traditional fence simply marks a property boundary, a privacy fence for a front yard is specifically designed to obscure the view into your property, offering a visual screen from the street or neighboring homes. Unlike the tall, solid walls typically found in backyards, front yard fences often blend privacy with aesthetic charm. They usually incorporate a mix of solid sections, semi-private elements like slats or louvers, and decorative materials to comply with neighborhood or municipal height and style regulations while still delivering that crucial sense of seclusion. It's about finding that perfect balance between screening and welcoming. The advantages of installing a privacy fence go far beyond just blocking a line of sight. Firstly, and most obviously, they offer enhanced privacy, allowing you to relax, entertain, or garden without feeling exposed. Secondly, they provide a significant boost to home security. A robust, well-designed fence is a deterrent to potential intruders and can keep pets and small children safely within your property lines. Thirdly, a high-quality privacy fence drastically improves your home's curb appeal. It acts as a beautiful frame for your landscaping and architecture, adding texture, color, and a sense of luxury. Finally, a privacy fence can help reduce noise pollution from the street and can even increase your property value, making it a smart long-term investment. A privacy fence doesn't have to be a dull barrier. It's a blank canvas. To decorate your fence and make it truly shine, consider layering. Greenery is your best friend. Use climbing plants like roses, ivy, or wisteria to soften harsh lines and introduce natural beauty. If your fence is solid, consider attaching planter boxes with colorful annuals or succulents. For slatted or wire fences, a vine provides maximum charm and privacy. Lighting is crucial for evening appeal. Install low-voltage spotlights at the base to highlight the fence texture, or string market lights or lanterns along the top rail. Finally, use the fence as a backdrop for artistic elements. This could be a wrought iron address plaque, decorative metal wall art, or even a vertical herb garden. The key is to choose decorations that complement your home's architectural style and the fence material itself. Choosing the right material is essential for durability, style, and maintenance. Here are the top contenders. First, wood like cedar, redwood, or treated pine. Offers a classic, warm, and natural look. Excellent for full privacy or slatted designs. Requires regular staining or sealing. Second, composite. Made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic. Extremely low maintenance, resistant to rot and pests, and comes in many colors and textures mimicking real wood. Higher initial cost. Third, vinyl or PVC. Durable, easy to clean, and requires virtually no maintenance. Popular for traditional picket and tongue and groove styles. Fourth, aluminum or steel. Best for modern, slatted, or ornamental fence designs. Provides excellent security and visibility control, is highly durable, and is available in various powder-coated finishes. Fifth, brick or stone. Offers the most permanence, security, and noise reduction. Often used for the lower base or pillars, combined with other materials for the screening sections. Highest cost and installation difficulty. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 15 favorite front yard privacy fence ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, sleek modern slatted wood fence with classic pillars. This design perfectly balances modern and traditional styles. The dark brown horizontal wood slats offer significant privacy while maintaining an airy feel, complemented by sturdy, classic white concrete pillars and base. It's a fantastic choice for contemporary homes looking for a warm yet polished aesthetic. 2. Contemporary slatted aluminum and rendered wall fence. This fence features crisp, clean horizontal black aluminum slats contrasting sharply with a smooth, white rendered wall base and pillars. The design is minimalist, highly durable, and provides a sophisticated level of semi-privacy, perfectly framing the modern architectural home behind it. 3. Classic white picket fence with climbing roses. The quintessential American front yard fence. This bright white picket fence features thick pickets for semi-privacy and is made beautiful by vibrant pink and yellow climbing roses. It's an inviting, charming, and timeless choice for a cottage or traditional home, offering a clear demarcation while celebrating the garden. 4. Low-profile dark wood fence and lush garden. This low-level painted dark wood fence serves as a subtle boundary and a stunning backdrop for an overflowing, colorful garden. The surrounding lush plantings, including succulents, agave, and bright foliage, work synergistically with the fence to create a natural privacy screen and beautiful curb appeal. 5. Minimalist vertical wood slat fence. A simple yet stylish option featuring closely spaced, vertical wood slats set upon a low concrete curb. The vertical lines draw the eye up, offering a modern take on the traditional picket fence. It provides partial screening without completely walling off the welcoming front porch of the farmhouse-style home. 6. Dramatic black stained solid wood fence with pergola gate. This full privacy fence is built from solid black stained vertical planks, creating a dramatic, imposing, and completely private enclosure. The custom gate features a striking pergola-style top, blending Japanese garden aesthetics with a modern fortress-like boundary, beautifully softened by manicured planting beds. 7. Ornate wrought iron gate with large concrete pillars. Ideal for an elegant, classic home, this fence uses grand, beige concrete pillars and a black wrought iron gate with elaborate detailing. While the iron section offers limited visual privacy, the combination with mature, bushy white roses on the interior creates a beautiful, fragrant, and romantic privacy screen. 8. Custom modern metal and concrete pillar gate and fence. A spectacular, high-end design that combines massive, lighted concrete pillars with a bespoke black metal gate and sleek horizontal metal fencing. The materials provide both high security and a contemporary, imposing aesthetic, perfectly complementing the modern multi-story home. 9. Traditional white picket fence for cottage charm. A classic, simple white picket fence that defines the boundary of a traditional blue house. It's less about complete visual blockage and more about establishing a charming, neat enclosure for the yard. This style is instantly inviting and works perfectly for vintage or cottage-style properties. 10. Dark brick and vertical rail fence with heavy pillars. A high-security, durable, and commanding fence built from dark, rich brown bricks. The lower brick wall is capped with strong, decorative brick pillars and topped with simple vertical metal railings. This creates a solid base, maximum security, and a beautiful, classic contrast with the modern two-story home. 11. Classic white vinyl privacy fence with lattice accents. This pristine white vinyl fence provides excellent privacy with its solid lower panels, while the elegant lattice top adds a touch of decorative charm and allows some light and airflow. The sturdy posts with classic finials complete a timeless look that is low maintenance and durable, perfect for defining a property boundary with style. 12. White vinyl semi-privacy fence for expansive yards. Ideal for larger properties, this white vinyl semi-privacy fence features vertical pickets with narrow gaps, offering a balance between openness and seclusion. It clearly defines the property line without creating a complete visual barrier, making it a great choice for maintaining a friendly neighborhood feel while still securing your space. 13. Charming picket fence with garden archway entrance. This enchanting white picket fence features an integrated archway gate, lushly covered with vibrant climbing vines and flowers, creating a truly magical entrance to the home. The fence itself is a classic design, and the addition of the garden arch transforms the entire front yard into a whimsical, inviting space. 14. Inviting white picket fence with red roses. A picturesque yellow cottage is beautifully framed by a classic white picket fence, adorned with brilliant red climbing roses. The fence offers a welcoming boundary and a charming backdrop for the colorful foliage, enhancing the home's curb appeal with a quintessential, timeless look that balances privacy with aesthetic appeal. 15. Custom white picket fence with integrated gate. This well-crafted white picket fence features vertical slats of varying widths for a unique, semi-private effect, complemented by a sturdy, cross-braced gate. The clean lines and fresh white finish perfectly frame the modern home, while low, manicured hedges behind the fence add another layer of greenery and privacy. Whether your style is classic cottage, ultramodern, or somewhere in between, there is a perfect front yard privacy fence to meet your needs for aesthetics, security, and most importantly, peace. A well-chosen fence is the ribbon that ties your whole exterior design together, transforming an exposed yard into a private, curated outdoor retreat. Remember to always check your local zoning laws and homeowner association rules before starting any construction. Which of these fences was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If this video gave you the inspiration you needed, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more incredible home improvement and decor ideas. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.